Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to win at Vita Mahjong on the phone using a very simple tricks. Let's get started. When you play Vita Mahjong, the goal is easy: match two identical tiles to remove them, clear the whole board, and you win the level. Open Vita Mahjong on your phone. Look at the tiles stacked on top or sticking out from the side. These are the most important ones to match first. If you leave them too long, they block other tiles and make the game harder. To win, focus on making the board more open. Every time you remove tiles from the sides or top, you unlock more removes. Don't just match randomly, match tiles to open new paths. Before tapping, take a few seconds to scan the board. Try to find pairs in parts of the board that are covered. Matching from cramped areas helps keep you from getting stocks later. If you can't find a match or feel stuck, use the tools at the bottom, kneel, shuffle or undo. These tools make winning much easier, especially on hard levels. And that's it. Now you know how to win at Vita Mahjong. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.